Alright guys, figured I'd do a little update on the Ranger. I haven't given up on it, but I have kind of stalled. Luckily my boss was nice enough to let me put it in the building here at work. But basically, I'm torn between how to repair this. Upon closer inspection, I'm not sure if you can see it, but right here, right up in there is a pretty good kink in the frame where this whole front cross member is rocked back. Also, you can kind of see on that body mount right there, this whole frame is kind of went like this, and it doesn't stop until right about by the trans cross member. So basically, the frame is pretty bent. Not bad, it could probably be straightened, but at the same time, I have a good straight frame that was never wrecked. So I think that's the route I'm going to go. It's going to be cheaper, and I'll have a frame that was never wrecked. However, it's going to be, I think it'll probably be a little more work, because while I have the engine out, I might as well reseal it and do some much needed maintenance. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, and the oil pan leaks pretty bad anyway, so it wouldn't hurt it to get a reseal job. So long story short, it's not going to be a fast rebuild, but it will get done. I just wanted to update everybody on it. I basically need to get the parts truck tore down to the bare frame, get the motor and trans pulled, and just start swapping bodies over. I've actually bought a third Ranger. It's a little bit older. It's a 2000. It had brand new tires on it. It was a light front end collision. I'll probably make a video about it because I plan on repairing it and reselling it once I swap the wheels off of it. I should have enough left over between the two parts Rangers to pretty well repair that one and make someone a nice truck. Anyways, maybe try to get some of my money back. Anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.